Okay, in this video I'm going to talk to you about a program called Melodics. It can help you learn to play the drums or the keyboard, but in this edition we're just going to look at the drum features. So I've been playing the drums on and off now for, must be about 10 years I think, and still not really very good. And one of the reasons for that is, one, finding the time to practice, but also getting the right instruction. So back when I first started to learn the drums, I used to travel quite a lot, so it's quite difficult to get hold of an instructor that had the ability to cancel the lessons, just don't have to pay for it and what have you. And then about 4 years ago, I think it must have been, I found something online called Drumeo. So it's basically an online drumming course. Never really got on with it. I tried it for a couple of years, but never really made good progress because it didn't kind of suit my learning style, and the structure I didn't kind of find to work too well. So I decided to get rid of that when I found this new tool called Melodics. So I had this running on my PC. They have just released an iPad version, which I haven't tried yet, but I have bought an iPad mount so I can try that in the future. So I just thought I'd give you a little demonstration of what Melodics looks like, both from the drum perspective and what you see on the app. Now, of course, this is specifically for someone who has electronic drums. So I have some Roland VDrums. There's a long list of drums that are supported on their website, along with keyboards as well. I might do a different video for keyboards because I'm doing some other music stuff in 2020. But yeah, let's launch the app and I'll show you just a couple of the lessons. I've really only just been starting. I'm on to level 3 now, but just give you a couple of samples of what it is to help you decide if you want to kind of sign up for Melodics. I think you can get a little bit of access for free. It's about £120 for a year, and you get access to kind of all the lessons and the songs to play along with. So one of the reasons why I like it so much is the fact that it has that combination of being connected into electronic drum set, so it knows every time you hit the snare or cymbals or hi-hat or whatever, it shows you that on the screen, and you'll see that as we go into a couple of the introductory lessons right now. One thing I will mention, obviously the audio here is, I'm recording this through my Rode mic, and I have this going through my VDrums speaker, and obviously the sound coming from the computer on my Mac here. So we're going to show you how this works. Let's get myself positioned a little bit. So you can see here there's various different lessons and favourites and different things that you can try out. There's literally loads and loads and loads and loads of them. But I'll kind of show you how things kind of start out to kind of get you starting to play in the first place if you're new to it. So it shows you right here, it's just going to be showing you the ride cymbal. So I press the space key, and this is going to show me and indicate basically when I have to press or when I have to hit the ride cymbal. So you'll see now. So if you don't hit perfectly, it's giving you that little bit of feedback, and it'll give you a percentage result at the end. So as you can see here, 12 of them were perfect, 3 of them were early, 1 of them was late, and so I had a streak of 8. So we can try that again if we want to make sure we try and get things perfect. Okay, so that's what it looks like, regardless of how you kind of perform. So let's just pop back, and we're kind of take you on to something a bit better. So I've done all these before. Oh, it's removed my grade. Okay, perhaps I'll have to do that one in the future. So let's look at a rhythm exercise. Let's turn the volume up so you can hear it better. Okay, so these are all lessons to kind of get you going if you are just kind of starting out. It helps you pass different lessons. You don't have to do the lessons in a specific order, you can just kind of jump ahead. So if we look at some of the later grades where I was just starting to work on, let's have a look at this one. See, that was the latest one I did. Yeah, so we'll try that. Okay, so that was it. It's a really quick, high-level, basic demonstration of what Melodics is and how it can help you learn to play your electronic drums better. And boy, do I need the help. Thanks for watching this video. A thumbs up would be really appreciated. If you're interested in other geek-type videos, please consider subscribing to Spectrum Geeks. Why not also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. And before you leave, why don't you check out one of these other videos that may be of interest. Thanks again for watching.